A courtesy visit as the tradition demands. This is the Senate Ad Hoc Committee on Turnaround Maintenance of Nigerian Refineries. We are here in Port Harcourt. Yesterday we were in Warri, and here today we are in Port Harcourt. We have done our investigation on the work being done in the Port Harcourt refinery. And we are here to assess the level of preparedness of both the old and the new Port Harcourt refinery. We will recall that the old Port Harcourt refinery was the first refinery in Nigeria built in 1965, and the second one was built in 1989. And for so long now, they have not been in active service. And with the renewed hope of agenda of Mr. President, and also the desire of Nigerians and our determination in the then Senate, led by our President, Senator Godswill Akpabio, we deemed it fit. We have a resolution in the Senate to look and make sure that Nigerian refineries are working so that we shouldn't be dependent on importation of petroleum products. And that is one of the reasons why we are here, and as well to look into the contract and then to investigate the level of compliance vis-a-vis the contract. We are pleased to know that what we saw is most encouraging, as the refinery upgrade and full rehabilitation is almost at 90% completed. We are confident that the refinery will soon be operational before the end of the year. As the tradition demands, we must always, it is always our way of paying courtesy visit to the host governor of every state we visit during our oversight function. And that is why we are here, to pay you this courtesy visit.
Welcome you to our state, and to say thank you for coming to pay this courtesy visit. Permit me to say this. Anybody who disrespects, no matter how little the person is in authority, no matter how you think you have succeeded, it will come back to you in a bitter pill. I'm aware that you're not, this is not the actual number, you were more than this. I'm also aware that one of the senators representing, unfortunately, my senatorial district didn't want people to come. But because you are men of integrity, as they claim, the real ones who have integrity, you decided to come and do what is right. God will bless you. What you're doing is the right thing. It doesn't matter. Politics is a business of interest. Your worst enemy today can become your best friend tomorrow. It's a business of interest. Unfortunately, some people think it's something that has to do with life or death. And that is one mistake everybody does. when you overtake this business outside the normal principle of its rule. So I'm not worried. I'm happy. It's recorded that the Senate committee came and they visited the government house of Rivers State, and we received them. Thank you. As about your mission to our state, we're happy that the refinery is really, the work there is ongoing, and to the very reasonable extent, very soon it will be operational. We as a state, before the commencement of the job, has a contribution that we wanted to make to support the refinery because of the deplorable state of the East-West Road. There is a road, Moji, Alaito. You can see that we are almost completing the bridge. Is about 70%. They're doing almost the last part of it. With that road, it will help to decongest the trouble commuters face along the East-West Road, and easy access straight to the refinery. So you can see our government is working in line, supporting the administration of President Tinubu to give our people hope and assurance that, and it is this role that you're playing genuinely, and the support of the state government, that is the only way we can achieve a purpose for everyone. The purpose of governance is to make life easy for its people. And I'm happy that your investigation will result to making life easy for people. When operation of the refinery starts, there will be product. Issue of importation will go down. We will now make our own FX. Economy will grow. Internal revenue will increase. More projects will be executed in state. You can see it's a chain thing. So I want to thank you. I want to also leave you with this. We might be a state that has been presented. We have issues. We don't have any issue. Our eyes are on the ball to deliver for our people, even in the face of this deliberate distraction. We will not fail our people, because at the end, it is our people that count.